Corvette Cruising fam. Listen, this is me, Ed. I'm back and I'm excited today. I'm excited because we're going to be doing the first wash of the Corvette since it came back from getting the Ceramic Pro 9H coating. And so I'm excited to wash the car today. I'm going to show you some different products that I use, some products that you may want to use in the future, and we're just going to have some fun today. Let me show you some things that I'm going to be using today. I have a pressure washer. It's 18 psi, and I'm not getting paid or endorsed by anybody for these products, but this is what I use. It's a pressure washer. I'm also going to use in that bottle down there, this bottle here is for the tires. It's a tire cleanser, so I'm going to use that for the tires. I'm going to use a soft tire brush as well, and I'm also going to use those brushes as well for the tires. And then I'm going to use this foam wash. This foam wash, it's got it's pH neutral. It's by the chemical guys. Again, I'm not being endorsed by anybody. I just buy this stuff when it looks like it'll work for me. So I'm gonna use that to wash the car. I'm gonna use the 2-bucket method, and then we're going to use the 2-bucket method to wash the vehicle as well. And then I'm gonna use this Ceramic Pro Care as a drying agent. We'll use that as well. And I'm also going to use my Master Blaster car dryer, and that's going to dry the car. So we're going to try to touch the car as little as possible on today. Also, then when I do touch the car, I'm going to use these towels. I got these towels from Ceramic Pro. They gave me some towels. I do have wheel cleanser, but I'm not gonna put any wheel cleanser on it because the car has got a because they ceramically coated the wheels. They ceramically coated the wheels, so I don't want to put anything on the wheels, so I just put this on the tires. Oh, look at that. Can y'all see that dirt coming out? I don't know if y'all were able to see that dirt. I don't know if y'all will see that there. Let's see if we can get some here. That dirt coming out right there. Nice. Nice. I love the foam. The foam is like, I like the foam. The foam is like when you're a little kid or something. It's like being a little kid. Putting that foam on the car. Look at that. That's fun right there. I shook it up once. I want to just shake it up one more time. You don't need to shake it up a lot. That's Ceramic Pro. That's Ceramic Pro. It won't let that foam sit too long, y'all. Hit this back right here. Nice thick foam. Thick foam. Put some comments in there. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you do. Tell me what you do. Tell me how you wash your car. Do you use the foam cannon, or do you just go old school? Old school ain't no problem with old school. You can do old school. Whatever works for you. I said whatever works for you, do that. First wash. The first wash. Real lightly, I'm gonna go over it with the wash mitt. Real lightly. Real lightly. Barely touching it with the wash mitt, y'all. Barely touching it. Stand in my directions. Stand in my directions. Just barely go over it with the wash mitt. Because the foam is doing the work, really. The foam is going to work for us. So all I'm doing is just barely going over it with the wash mitt. Same foam soap that is in the foam cannon is the same foam that is in my bucket. Okay? Same stuff, y'all. Same stuff. Yeah, so me and my father used to wake up in the morning on Saturday morning, and my dad, he always had real nice cars, and so we would wake up on Saturday morning. I'd look out in the driveway, my dad would be out there washing the car. Boy, I run, I put my clothes on. I said, Dad, you didn't wake me up. He said, nah, I knew you'd be up real soon, because I always got up early. He said, I knew you'd be up. And we would wash the car, and he had these spoke wheels, and those spoke wheels, y'all, were hard to clean. And so we would have to get some Brillo. We would get Brillo, and this was back in the day when they was putting like paint on the car, y'all. Yeah. See, yeah. Sometimes people be all judgmental and stuff. They just be looking for fault. But we had this was back before they had this was back before they were using clear coat. And man, we used to do stuff like put regular soap. It's literally regular soap, like dishwashing liquid. Is what we would use, and soap up the car with dishwashing liquid. And everybody did. It wasn't something that we was just doing. Everybody did it that way. Boy, I gotta hurry up, y'all. This thing is strong. Okay, there she is, y'all. That is the finished product. Got those wheels all dressed up. Got it looking good. So when we step out, we stepping out like we mean it. Like we mean it. Okay. I think that is it for the day.